Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
So firstly, there are many vacancies available for RMK Infrastructure Private Limited. So it is one of the fastest growing construction company engaged in construction of industrial projects, residential, commercial buildings, roads, highways, bridge, solar, MEP and leasing of factory shed and warehouses. So they have various vacancies available for the various departments mentioned here. So let us discuss each and every job vacancy mentioned here. So they have also provided here the contact numbers, mail ID and also website link. So if you have any queries and if you have any doubts, you can contact them with the given contact numbers and you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, and also you can visit this official website link for more detailed information about this job notification. So let us discuss each and every job opening from the departments mentioned here. So firstly, under the sector head department, they have various vacancies for the industrial vertical, infrastructure vertical, building and commercial vertical, bridges and structures vertical, solar division in charge, engineer solid waste management, HR and admin. So these vacancies are available. So for first four vacancies, they need experienced candidates of about 20 years of experience is required, and for solar division in charge position about 15 years of experienced candidates are required. So for engineer solid waste management positions, about 10 years of experienced candidates are required, and they are preferring for biotechnology candidates. So for HR and admin positions, above 15 years of experienced candidates are required. So coming to second one, under the Department of Accounts and Finance, there are four vacancies, like four positions available. The positions will be senior manager, assistant manager internal audit and assistant account. So for senior manager position, 15 years of experience is required and the qualification would be MCOM CA, CS, CMA Inter, and for assistant manager 8 years of experience is required, and for this only two vacancies are available and the qualification would be BCom or MCom. And for third one, assistant manager internal audit position, 10 years of experience is required and the qualification will be BCom MCom. And for last one, for assistant account position, 5 years of experience is required. So coming to third one, under the marketing rental division department, the vacancies will be for the positions of AGM, marketing head and marketing executive. So for first one and second one, they require above 15 years of experienced candidates, and for third one, marketing executive position, they need 5 to 6 years of experienced candidates. So coming to industrial maintenance, civil electrician and plumbing department, they have vacancies for the positions of MEP DGM and junior executive. So for first one, MEP DGM position, above 15 years of experienced candidates are required, and for junior executive position, about 3 years of experienced candidates are required, and the qualification would be ITI and relevant certification is required. So coming to next one, under the DTP department, they have vacancies for the positions of executive DTP and assistant DTP. So firstly, for executive DTP position, 5 years of experience is required, and the candidates should be having knowledge on AutoCAD and 3D. And coming to second one, assistant DTP position, 3 years of experience is required. So coming to next one, under the Department of ERP, assistant ERP position is available. So for this 3 years of experience is required, and the qualification will be diploma or BE in civil department. So ERP knowledge is must for this position. So you can also check here with the address details and also contact numbers, mail ID and the website link. So for more detailed information about this job notification, you can visit the official website link, that is www.rmkinfrastructure.com. And also if you want to apply for the any of the positions mentioned here, you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is career@rmkinfrastructure.com.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.